In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a LinkedIn business page. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, head on over to LinkedIn on your PC or laptop or your mobile device. I'm going to use the web version here. And now make sure to sign in. And once you're signed in, you want to click on where it says for business. And then you'll see an option right down below to create a company page. Go ahead and click onto that, and then you want to click onto company, small, medium and large businesses. And now here you want to put in your business name. You can put your own custom LinkedIn URL, website, industry, all that stuff. So I'll quickly fill this out and show you what it will look like. All right, it looks something similar to this. And now you can choose a logo. So click on that to choose a file for your logo. Alright, I've uploaded my logo. You can put a tagline here and click on I verify that I'm authorized rep. And then once you've done that, click on create page. Oh, I missed out something here. I'm going to put an industry in here. So I'm just going to say tech. And now create page. Before creating a page, add connections on LinkedIn to expand your network. Alright. Alright, you may or might not have this problem, so I need to add more connections to LinkedIn to create this page. But if you got more connections than me, you can easily create your page from here.